boy Young Abdul Jamal, man. Back again with another video. And today, you know what I'm saying? But I was supposed to been do this video, you know what I'm saying? I know I've been talked about doing this, but I'm finna attempt to get these Carven 5-inch tips put on my car. And I'm gonna insert the clip of me trying to do it 2 weeks ago. But the place I went to, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna give y'all a backstory of what happened. So first off, I bought a diffuser, right? I took my old, you know what I'm saying? I took my whole bumper off. I should have recorded it. I didn't record it. I took my whole bumper off, you know what I'm saying? Went to the place. They said that they couldn't do it because I had my bumper on, you know what I'm saying? It took me like an hour to take my bumper off because that was my first time doing it. So I did that, took my bumper off, went back to the place with the bumper on. That took like 10 minutes to do because the diffuser, I had already took the diffuser off. Went back up there, and the man said that, you know what I'm saying, he gonna give it time. It's 4 o'clock, they close at 5. He said, yeah, he gonna get to it. Man, I'm sitting up there for 30 minutes. This man gonna come back to the car talking about something, oh yeah, he can't do it. Why you didn't just say that in the first place, you know what I'm saying? He just had me up there looking stupid, so that blew me. So I called up a couple muffle shops, you know what I'm saying, exhaust shops. So I got one person, he said just come tomorrow, you know what I'm saying? The next day, that was a Friday, so I went that Saturday, went up there, and he told me I had the wrong tips. So he showed me which ones to buy. I buy the tips, you know what I'm saying? Or I thought I bought the tips. So the tips just came in Wednesday. Tips come in this Wednesday. And it's like the place really done got me. So I knew it was too good to be true because I'm thinking, because they got a picture of 2 exhaust tips for one price. Whole time, that was the price of 1 exhaust tip. Like, that pissed me off. I'm looking at my package like, bro, ain't no way 2 exhaust tips is in this box. Come to find out it was only one. Bro, go, man, what are you doing? Come to find out it was only 1 exhaust tip, right? So now I'm finna go back to the first place that was supposed to put it on, and I put my new diffuser on. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna show y'all that. My car is dirty, so I'm on the way to get my hair cut right now. I'm gonna get my hair cut. After I get my hair cut, we're gonna pull up to the car wash, and then we're gonna go straight to the exhaust place to see if they can put these exhaust tips on. You know what I'm saying? I ain't taking no for an answer. If I gotta weld it together myself, I will. No questions asked. Like, comment, subscribe on this video, you know what I'm saying? We hit 500 subscribers, man. I just want to tell y'all thank you. Like, I'm so grateful, you know what I'm saying? And I'm just, you know what I'm saying, I'm proud, you know what I'm saying? I have the right support cast, you know what I'm saying? Y'all supporting me each and every video, going out y'all way to watch the video, liking these videos. But this son ain't no joke, man. I appreciate, you know what I'm saying? We had like 520 subscribers right now. We were just at like 430 something last week, or like 460 last video. But I just want to say thank y'all for being so supportive on this journey of, you know what I'm saying, building this car. And yeah, man, most stuff on the way. I ain't finna talk your head off, man. I'm in a rush right now, you know what I'm saying, trying to get to this haircut appointment. But it is a little traffic. I'm probably like 10 minutes away. I'm gonna pick up the camera when I'm done getting my haircut. Alright, y'all, man, I just got me a little haircut, you know what I'm saying? I cleaned my car too. Stole a people microfiber rag, you know what I'm saying? Need those. But yeah, I just got me a cut, cleaned my car out, get gas. I ain't gonna lie, I used to put 89 in here, but gas going down, so I switched over to 93. It's probably the cheapest gas station in the city. That's probably why, but yeah. 320 for 93, that's not bad, bro. Like, it be places that be freaking selling that job for freaking almost $4, $4.50. I done seen some places sell that job for like $5. 320 right there. But yeah, I'm about to put the camera down real quick so I can put my $30. 500 people is almost like a school, to be honest. So the fact that I'm talking to, that's like an auditorium in a way. Not all in it, like fully in a way, but in a way that's like kind of like an auditorium. I was talking to y'all at 1.2. Y'all zoomed in on my lips and jaw. I'm finna see what these people say about my tips. They in the trunk. Hopefully they can put them on. I ain't got time, to be honest. One place told me one price, another place told me another price. That one place, that second place I went to, they could have put them dryers on for me too. $51. $52. Oh shit. $52.01. I left my whole damn thing open. Oh shit. But yeah, man, I'm gonna give y'all a little point of view on the way there. Or I don't know, I might just pick up the camera once I actually get to the place. I don't know. I've been chilling though lately. Like, I just been vibing, going with the flow. I need to get something to eat. I ain't ate nothing all day. My camera is coming soon, bro. Like, I've been doing my research on what camera to get. And I know what camera I'm gonna get. I'm probably gonna do like a reveal of what camera I get and stuff. But ain't no telling. Forgot to tell. I don't know if I told y'all or not, but I bought a lip to go on my bumper, right? I put that job on, you know what I'm saying? I put that job on 2 weeks ago. This is when my first set of tips came. The 5-inch tips came. I put that job on same day, you know what I'm saying? That shit was on there. But it came with some little screws, like some baby screws. Put that job on with the screws, it was good. Next day, good. You know what I'm saying? That next day, I went to work. I came, you know what I'm saying? I think I had went to get food or something. I came back, I looked at my shit. That job was kind of leaning. Like, I'm like, right? Like, I'm like, bro, I hope this job just stay on till I get home. You know what I'm saying? And the crazy thing is, I put all the screws in it that it came with. So boom, did that. I'm driving on the way to the crib. I'm thinking I ran over something. Whole time it was the lip. The lip then came off the car on the highway. I done ran it over. But luckily I ain't ran over none of the screws, but that job would have punctured my tire. I was so blowed because I ain't even had that job for 24 hours. Only had that job for probably like 16 hours, and then that job happened. I was pissed, like for real. Then I ordered another one. I had to return it because on eBay it said that it fit my car, but the person that was selling it, this man had a picture that said it didn't fit my bumper type, but in the description and everything else it said that it did. So I'm like, bro, ain't no way. So I returned that job, got my money back, and I ordered another one. And hopefully, and the one that I had took back, that job came with screws. I kept the screws, and I got my refund back. So I'm gonna put the screws that came on the one I returned from eBay, and I'm gonna put that job on the one that's coming. It says it's supposed to come on Wednesday, so I'm gonna put that job on there. And that's just how we gonna do it. You know what I'm saying? Because them jobs don't be coming with no hardware, nothing, no instructions, nothing, which is blasphemy because that's ridiculous in my eyes. Fit. Got the 3s on. Look at that G8. That big. He almost finished. I don't know why the other man said he couldn't do this job. It's raining out here in Durham. I just got my job washed. It look good, man. Hey, I'm glad they did it, but shoot, he still ain't tell me the price. I don't know where he went at. I don't know if I need to go in there and pay, or he waiting on something else, or what. spitting. Jesus Christ, my Lord. Finally, the exhaust tips are on. After however long that was, they finally on. The man said I can adjust them for however I want them. So I guess all I would have to do is loosen up the clamp. Do it like that. I ain't gonna lie, bro. I will not be coming back here, boy. Even though they do good work at a good, you know what I'm saying? Time frame, you know what I'm saying? I only been here for like 45 minutes to an hour, which is really not that bad. But still, these niggas' prices, bro, is kind of ridiculous. Folks wanted 200 for exhaust tip, but I ain't gonna lie. I guess the labor or whatever you want to call it, because he had to put 3-inch pipe on me and he had the clamp, so I understand it, but I feel it would have been cheaper if my exhaust would have been 3 inches already, and I would have had like that ball fitting. So I mean, I understand it, to be honest, but still, niggas whacking over niggas over the head with this car job. I ain't even gonna lie, but it don't sound bad, and that job looked good, to be honest. That job, it looked swell. But I'm gonna give y'all a little point of view, how we looking, how we running. This camera get fuzzy all the time, bro. Oh my God, I hate that. I ain't gonna lie, that job do sound louder. I don't care. But the bus is left. Shit, no. Hey, bro, this job trying to fishtail. I'm straight. It's gonna be a bad day. It's gonna be a bad day. I try to hit that bit, and that bit just go to. It's gonna be over with. For real, for real. Ain't gonna be no more 300. I'm holding it bit like I'm one of them Mustang drivers. I ain't even finna do that. I hit that bit and this bit just tweaking. I'ma be blown at myself for doing some nut shit. That's about it. My day is over. Shoot, I ain't doing nothing else for the rest of the day. Today been cool, you know, so I got my little haircut, all that. And like I always say, man, if you want something in life, bro, go do it. You know what I'm saying? Chase your dreams. And don't let nobody tell you that, you know what I'm saying? Take you off track of what you want to do for yourself in life. Because life, little do you know it, is precious and life is short, you know what I'm saying? You may think, you know what I'm saying, you have ample time of doing something, but you really don't know. You don't know when your day is going to come, you know what I'm saying? You don't know when judgment day is going to hit. So that's just a little advice, a little motivation. I ain't gonna talk y'all head off or nothing, but I just wanted to let y'all know that, like, just, it's so much out there, there's so much good things, positive things out there for us young adults, you know what I'm saying, even older adults. You know, you just have to grind for it, and even if it take a year, 6 months, you know what I'm saying, you see no progress, but it's gonna come. You just have to stay motivated and have that sense of your day is gonna come, and there's nothing wrong with, you know what I'm saying, no growth. You know what I'm saying? There's nothing wrong with that, because if you have faith in yourself, then that day gonna come. Always have faith in yourself, no matter what. No matter what, always have faith in yourself, because at the end of the day, we all we got. I ain't gonna wrap this video up. I really want to give y'all a little point of view, but this ground is too wet, bro.
Big anaconda, count a whole lot of, keep me some cash, cool on my top, whipping it jet, it's not a monster, I need some air, who got a dollar?